lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my kitchen because we are going to be doing a DIY with bath salts. So for the last couple minutes I've been trying to get into this thing. Who are they keeping out of this? Like, if I was an elderly woman, I'd be fucked. Like, my great grandmother would be calling me over to come open this and I'd be fucking struggling on her behalf. Okay, but anyways, so we need Epsom salts. I got mine from Walmart. You can get them from Superstore, Walmart, wherever the fuck you get them from, okay? This was $7. I think at Superstore it's like 10 or 5, okay? Whatever. We need an empty jar. I just finished my bath salts, so we need new bath salts. And we're just gonna pour in. Woo. Might need a funnel. Anyways, so I just wanna fill it just under the line, okay? Take a couple of oils. We're also going to use avocado oil. Okay, I had to get a couple extra things. So we're gonna take a little empty bowl, okay? We're gonna grab some avocado oil. I like avocado oil as opposed to olive oil just because it's a little bit lighter in scent. And also I find it's not as bad inside the bathtub because this is where this is going, okay? It's their bath salts, not those bath salts, the good kind. Anyways, so taking about I'd say 2 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil, carrier oil. You can even use sweet almond oil. That's probably recommended just because it's good for your skin, really hydrating. You can get it at Bulkborn. I don't have it. We're just gonna use essential oils and avocado oil. So the essential oils I have today, this one's a fragrance oil. It's rosemary. I like the smell of rosemary. But I think I got this one from, where did I get it from? Like Collective Souls or something, one of those like rock subscription boxes. But I put about 20 drops of that oil in there. We're gonna do about 15 to 20 of the bergamot. This is a bergamot oil I got from Bulk Barn. Yeah, from Bulk Barn. And once those oils are together inside of the bowl, I want to give it a little swirl. And then that bit of salt, like Epsom salts we already made, we're just gonna put it into the oils and let the oils absorb that. And just for ease of disposal, I'm going to be using a bamboo skewer, but like the fat end, just to give this a stir to kind of mix all of that oil into that Epsom salt. So you're probably wondering why we're mixing into a small amount rather than just throwing it all in. When you go and just throw all of the oils into your Epsom salts, it ends up making it all kind of clump up, as opposed to doing this where it's kind of like tempering the Epsom salts. These are going to be ready to mix. Okay. So I went and grabbed myself a scrap piece of paper because earlier it was just kind of a joke trying to put stuff in here. This is already folded like a brochure, so bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, we got the paper in like a cone, okay? I'm gonna pour in some of the plain Epsom salts. I'm gonna get it to about halfway. It's probably good there. Yeah, see, about halfway, okay? And then we're gonna put in our Epsom salt mixture. Try not to spill it everywhere, okay? Just kind of put that in there. I'm gonna do it off camera. Alrighty, now that my oily salt is in there, you can see that, we're gonna recap it, and this is where the magic happens. We give it a good shake, okay? Because what we're doing is now we're essentially mixing all of those scent crystals into the regular unscented crystals, okay? Also ignore I've got random shit behind my head. There's like the Halloween candy, some plastic, oh no, that's tea. We got a box of tea up there, Lord. But anyways, so now that this is thoroughly mixed, it should be a little bit more lubed up. Poor choice of words. And we're going to be grabbing our makeshift funnel again. Pop it in there. And we're just going to be putting what is needed to fill up the rest. And we're going to still, once again, leave a little bit of space at the top, just so we can do the shake without any mistakes, okay? And now I will have happy bath times because my bergamot, rosemary bath salts are ready to go. And usually what I do, like when it is bath time, I will use the cap. I'll pour out a full cap worth and shake that over the tub because this is actually the perfect amount. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. I hope you also make your own bath salts at home. Please let me know in the comment section down below what kind of scent combinations you make, because I'm always willing to try something different. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I love you all. Bye.